Hello everyone, I am Binoda, working as Solution Architect in GG Technologies Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss how you can customize people's profile card using Microsoft Graph API. The beauty of this solution is you no need to write a single line of code to customize the profile card. Let's see how we can do this. Profile card customization is one of the most wanted features in enterprises. By using this, the administrator can add additional attributes in Azure Active Directory and add custom attributes such as employee ID, cost center, division name. Currently, this is available in beta endpoint of Microsoft Graph API. Profile card means a contact card of peoples in your organization, and it consists of related information such as profile photo, contact information, organizational information, and recent email messages and upcoming events, and also the recent file shared with the people. In the left side, you are seeing the profile code of user Alex shown in OWA. To customize the profile card, we are going to use profile card property resource in Graph API. As of today, you can add 6 standard attributes in Azure AD and 15 custom attributes. In the next slide, I will show you what are all the attributes we can add. To use profile card property resource, you need to be a global administrator, and we are going to use delegated permissions user.readwrite and user.readwrite.all. Currently, application permissions are not supported, and the main thing is you have to add one profile card property resource at a time. It takes up to 24 hours for the changes to reflect in profile card. If you want to add additional attributes, you need to wait till the previous profile card property gets reflected in profile card. These are all the standard Azure Active Directory attributes: user principal name, fax, street address, postal code, state or province, alias. And these are all the custom attributes which we can update in the profile card. Let's see how to customize profile card using Graph API. We are going to use the Graph Explorer. First thing is we need to sign in Graph Explorer with the tenant administrator to update the profile card property. Then select the endpoint as beta. Here we run the post query to update the profile card property. In request body, we need to mention the additional attribute which you are going to add in profile card. Now let's see this in action. In today's demo, we are going to add standard attribute postal code and the custom attribute employee ID. Now I am in Graph Explorer. I have already logged in as tenant administrator. We need to set the query type as post and set the endpoint as beta. And this is the query we are going to run to add the new attributes. In this query, you need to update the tenant ID of yours. In the request body, I am going to add standard attribute postal code, and this is the format for the standard attribute: directory property name : attribute name. After that, run the query. We have added standard attribute. To add the custom attribute, this is the format you need to use, and run the query. To add multiple attributes to profile card, you need to submit new profile card property one by one. That is, you need to run the same query one by one for each attribute, and you need to wait until the previously added attribute gets reflected. Since it takes 24 hours to reflect the changes, I have already made changes in the profile card. Let's see the customized profile card. Here you notice the standard attribute alias and the custom attributes cost center added in the contact information. Yes, it's great. So this way Microsoft helps you to customize the profile card in OWA and OWA Mobile without writing a single line of code. This makes the admin job easier, right? These are all the additional resources you can use while customizing your profile card. Thank you so much for watching.